Hey YouTube, today we're telling you how to download Cheat Engine 6.1. So go to Google Chrome or open up your internet and then type in Google. And then up right here on the Google bar, make sure you're on the web, not anything else. Type in Cheat Engine 6.1. And once you're here, it says the first one. Make sure you click the first one. Don't go down here and click one of these, because any of these could be a virus. Do not click this one because that downloads like Cheat Engine something else. I don't know, like I think it's 6.0. I don't know. And on this bar over here it says main form about Cheat Engine. It says downloads. You're gonna click downloads, and it says download Cheat Engine right here. If you don't want 6.1, but I'd recommend it, then you can scroll down and get one of these older versions. But download Cheat Engine 6.1, and you're gonna keep it. I'm just waiting for it right there. And then you're gonna run it. Next. I accept the agreement. Next. Next. Don't create a start menu folder. I don't care about that. Next. Yes, I want to create a desktop icon. Next. And I would not download AOL Toolbar because most people don't look what they're doing when they're going through this, because like if you didn't look, you would have downloaded the AOL toolbar. I mean, my bad. Next, and then just install. Next, and launch Cheat Engine 6.1. I'm not gonna launch it yet, and now you can just exit this, and this is just where I keep my programs to set them on the desktop. I don't know why, but whatever. You guys should thumbs up because of my awesome seal. That's awesome. And you can drag it in here, open it up, and it would work. I could show you a demo in the next video of how it works with all these computer games. Rate, comment, subscribe, comment if you have any questions, and I'll answer them as soon as possible. Oh, friend me on Xbox Live because I'm on Black Ops right now, looking for a game for Nazi zombies, trying to find someone that has a mic, and not doing so good. Or at least someone that got past around 30. Hold on. Crap. Right here. This is my gamer tag, unknown, PERS0 S0, not ON, and that's it right there. So just friend me, whatever. Bye.